Hello, everyone. This is Alan Luna coming to you from Dr. Blair's Biology 101 class. Today I will be talking about the human evolution, comparing humans and apes. Apes and humans belong to the hominoids group. The hominoids do not have a tail, they have a big brain, and they also have an upright posture. Both groups have a capability of building social relationships and utilizing tools. Some animals in the hominoids group include gorillas and orangutans. And if you compare a human to a chimpanzee, a human has a flatter face, smaller jaw, and smaller canine teeth. Although the body sizes may be similar, our brain is quite larger than those brains of apes. One characteristic that humans have and apes do not have is bipedalism, which simply means walking upright. Apes have to lean forward while walking, and they have to use their knuckles to support their weight. As you can see here in this picture, an ape is leaned forward and they have long arms used for walking. And here you can see a human just walking upright with only their two legs. An ape's spinal cord enters near the back of the skull, and our spinal cord enters at the base of the skull. And for apes, they have a more of an C-shaped backbone, and we have more of an S-shaped backbone. And the reason that we have an S-shaped backbone is to keep our head centered above our feet. The human pelvis is also shorter and broader than the pelvis of an ape. Now this is to provide better efficiency for walking and running, and apes don't need a shorter and broader pelvis since they use their arms to walk. Arms and legs. Now for humans, the arms are shorter and weaker than the legs. This is not necessarily a bad thing since we don't use our arms to walk. Our legs are longer and stronger than our arms, and our legs have strong muscles that help us move quickly without using as much energy. And for apes, their arms are strong and long, and of course they're used for walking. The human feet have an arch, and this helps to better support the body. For apes, their feet are flat, and with their feet they're able to grasp objects as well as with their hands. Type of grip. Comparing a human hand to an ape's hand, a human thumb can move more freely. More often than not, we use the precision grip, which is using the thumb and forefinger to get a finer grasp of objects. As you can see in this picture, you see a human hand holding a rock using their thumb and finger. For apes, they use a power grip, which is wrapping their hand around an object, such as holding this piece of wood right here. Cooling off. Now, one possible reason that we have less hair is probably because of the need to stay cool. For humans, we have shorter and thinner hair, and apes have a thick coat of hair. For the body to stay cool, the body produces sweat, and the sweat has to evaporate from our skin. And so for humans, the sweat can evaporate more quickly since it's not evaporating from a lot of hair. And for apes, since they have too much hair, then they'll have slow evaporation compared to humans. Aside from all the differences, humans and apes are found to be alike in some ways. For example, young apes like to play and have fun just like toddlers during their childhood. They can also smile and laugh and show emotion. Apes are able to tell from right and wrong, and they also seek friendship just like we do. That is all I have for today. Thank you for listening, and Dr. Blair is more than welcome to use this video for educational purposes.